So you're wondering how to exactly reset a TPMS on a Ram ProMaster? Well, there are a few things that you can do here. So first things first is you want to start by checking your tire pressure manually. So before trying any reset here, the ProMaster's TPMS needs all four tires inflated to the correct PSI, usually around 65 PSI for the front and 80 PSI for the rear. Now, depending on your load, many folks actually mention or recommend here that the TPMS light won't reset at all, even if one tire is slightly off. So grab a gauge here, adjust each tire, and don't forget to the spare if your model monitors it. Now, in this case, next thing that you want to do is you want to drive the van so the system can reread the sensors. Now, unlike other vehicles, Ram ProMasters don't have a manual reset TMS button. So it automatically recalibrates once all pressures are correct. So the common advice here is to just basically drive around like 10 to 15 minutes at around 25 to 60 mph, giving the onboard system enough time to pick up the updated readings. Now, next thing that you want to do is you want to turn the ignition off and restart the vehicle. So sometimes the TPMS light lingers even after the drive, so a simple ignition cycle can help. So turn the van off for about like 10 to 15 seconds, then restart it. Now this forces the control module to recheck sensor inputs. And next is you want to check for a damage or the TPMS sensor. Now if the light stays on, now if the warning doesn't clear, there's a chance one of these sensors is fading. So common or older ProMasters, since TPMS batteries only last around like 5 to 7 years. So in this case, a fading sensor often shows us one tire reading missing or stuck. So at this point, scanning the system using a tire shop's TPMS tool is the most reliable way to confirm the issue. And finally, if the tire pressure is correct, you've driven enough, the sensor seems fine, the problem might be with the TPMS module or wiring here. Now in that case, RAM support or a certified technician can run a diagnostic here, especially useful if you're dealing with repeated TPMS faults. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.